All right, let's give question number 16 a shot. They give us this diagram, and they want to know what the measure of angle 1 is. So they give us this angle way over here, 146 degrees, and somehow we've got to make our way down to this angle right here. Now it's also given in the diagram that these lines right here, both of the orange lines, are parallel. So keeping that in mind, let's get started. The first thing you may notice is that this line right here is a straight line. And all straight lines, any line crossing them, this angle and this angle must sum up to 180 degrees. That's how straight lines work. So I know this angle over here, call it angle 1, but I don't know this angle over here. Let's just call it angle 2. But I do know that angle 146 plus this mystery angle over here must sum up to 180 degrees because they're straight lines. Well, I want to know that. Let's solve for it. Subtract 146. And that angle right over there must be 34 degrees. All right. Well, from here, it shouldn't be too bad if you remember that all vertical angles have the same measure. So this angle over here is 146, then so is this one, 146 degrees. Likewise, this angle over here is 34 degrees. Well then, so is that one over here. Okay, great, but how do I get down here now? Well, a neat little trick is if I drop that down, this is 1, 2, 3, this is a four-sided object right here. And inside of here, if you take any of these two angles, so say this one plus this one, or this one plus this one, or this one plus this one, these also must sum up to 180 degrees, just like the straight line up here. So I want to know this angle down here. I'll call it angle 3. Well, I know that 146 plus angle 3 must be 180 degrees. And if you plug that in over here, you're doing the exact same thing we did up here. And you'll get that this angle over here must be 34 degrees. Well, if this angle is 34 degrees, this is a straight line right here. So this angle over here, they must sum up to 180 degrees. So this one is also 146 degrees. And finally, these angles opposite from each other, if this one's 146 degrees, so is the measure of angle 1. This must be 146 degrees. There's your answer. And just for completeness, this angle over here, across from that one, got to be 34 degrees. And that is question 16.